In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mix in YouTube Music. This process is straightforward and enjoyable, allowing you to personalize your music experience. Let's dive in. First, open the YouTube Music app on your device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you launch the app, you will see a vibrant interface filled with music recommendations, playlists, and your personal library. This step is important because accessing the app is the gateway to all the features you will be using. Once the app is up, you will be ready to explore its capabilities. Next, tap the Library tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This section is where all your saved music, playlists, and mixes are stored. By tapping on the Library tab, you gain access to your own collection as well as the tools needed to create something new. This makes navigation easier, ensuring that you quickly find what you need to start crafting your mix. Now tap the plus New button. This button is typically found at the top of the Library section. It serves as a prompt to add new content to your collection. When you tap this button, a menu will appear, providing you with options for creating different types of music experiences. This step is essential because it sets the direction for your music creation process, allowing you to initiate the mix feature. From there, select Mix from the menu options. This option is specifically designed for creating a blend of songs based on your preferences. By choosing Mix, you indicate that you want to generate a personalized playlist. This is significant because the Mix feature utilizes your listening habits to curate a selection that reflects your musical tastes. After that, scroll through or search to select the artist you want to use as the foundation for your playlist. You can choose up to 30 artists. This allows you to create a mix that resonates with your favorite sounds. It's important to take your time here. Selecting the right artist will shape the overall vibe of your mix. Once you have your choices, tap Next to proceed. Next, customize your playback filters on the optimization screen. These filters include artist variety, music discovery, and other settings. Adjusting these options lets you fine-tune how diverse your mix will be. For instance, if you want to discover new music, you might increase the Music Discovery filter. This step is crucial because it ensures that your mix aligns with your listening preferences and goals, making the experience more enjoyable. Now tap Done to generate and start playing your new personalized mix. This final action is the culmination of your previous selections and adjustments. Once you tap Done, the app will create your mix based on the criteria you set. You will see a confirmation appear and the music will start playing immediately. This is an exciting moment as your carefully curated playlist comes to life, allowing you to enjoy the unique blend of sounds you have created. In conclusion, creating a mix in YouTube Music is a simple yet rewarding process. By following these steps, you can tailor your listening experience to fit your mood or discover new favorites. Enjoy your new mix and happy listening.